Hey, today I have the Maono DM30 programmable USB condenser microphone with RGB lighting. Comes in 3 colors, pink, purple, black, and white. I have the black one. Contains these features. It features a 3-in-1 digital knob that controls the mute switch, microphone gain, and headphone volume. Here's the control knob, 9-mode RGB lighting, 3/8 or 5/8 thread size for your boom arm. Official Maono stamp of approval. And inside it comes with the microphone already attached to a microphone stand and an accessories box, the manual, and a USB Type-C to USB Type-C, a Type-A adapter. Here's a rotational heavy base to put it on your desk, or you can spin it off, and you can see it has the double threaded grooves to put onto a boom stand. And wow, this microphone's actually really light, so it should be able to hold up the weight of the microphone very nicely. The USB-C, I guess an LED light button, and the headphone outputs. Which way do you talk into? I'm guessing this way, since it's covered on the top. That's what the manual is for. So it's a condenser cardioid pattern. Here's the claimed frequency response, and it does look like you speak into the front. Here are the functions of the multi-wheel with the LED indicator. You can switch between static colors, a dynamic mode, or just turn off the LEDs. They recommend a close-up microphone placement, and it should automatically easily connect to your PC or Mac. And it also comes with an audio software. Control the microphone options from within your computer or PC. This software is not needed to use the microphone. It's just an added bonus to give you some more fine-tuned controls. So let's plug this in and take it for a spin. So right now you're hearing the Maono 1 foot away for the mic test recording. Instantly see the LED light start glowing, and they actually look very cool. They're very bright and it just looks really cool. Underneath has the LED configuration button. You can press it to turn the lights off or press it to keep the static single colors. But I think the coolest is the spinning color wheel, and you can just see it shining on my hand here. It is really bright, makes the microphone stand out and give it that extra cool aesthetic. Then you have just a very simple gain wheel. You can press it and you'll see the LED indicator turns red to tell you that the mic's muted. Press it again to turn it back on. And if you hold it, you can enable or disable the audio output for the headphones, as well as an audio output for your PC. Once you plug the microphone in, it should just automatically download the drivers, and it's just plug and play, very easy and simple. And when the light indicator is on the headphones, then the knob wheel adjusts the output volume of the headphone jack. I think this is a pretty standard distance for when you're playing a game without a boom arm, with the microphone just sitting on the desk in front of your keyboard. And honestly, compared to other microphones, I think this sounds really good for this distance. It picks up my voice very clear from over a foot away, which is pretty good. Oh no, what is he doing?
Get loot, weapons, plus it scans the area, chests and enemies.
Man, that is slow.
But
we're gonna die.
I know. That's the only shit part. You know, all these footsteps making me nervous here.
Come, there's a shield keg here. Surprise! We gotta be the final survivors so we can do that flag thing. Oh my gosh, I almost died. Everything is so dark and spooky in this season. Oh, I didn't realize we could see the map. Whoa, I found this massive chest. Oh, I got the hammer, bro. Oh man, I got a sweaty after me. Oh yeah, that guy. That's the guy that killed me. See if you can get him.
No, I think he ran off. Why does it make the sound still?
It's so loud and it's so slow. Oh look, the guy's coming for you. Dance.
You got Thor.
I don't even care if someone else kills me.
Smash him with the hammer. Hammer Thor.
I don't get where's his buddy at.
I think it was a bot. Yo, don't forget your
someone's over there.
augmentation.
Oh, I did forget about it. I freaking love this gun.
Stand on top, so like, yeah. It'll bring you all the way to the top of the pole, but yeah, that's all it does.
There was two
Oh,
dudes getting freaky over there, and you didn't notice, and you were just letting them get freaky. Man, this thing takes so long.
Yeah,
better be worth
it.
It better be
Yeah,
worth
50,
it.
Not really.
What are we gonna get? Wait, we just get blue stuff? What's this glowing thing in the ground here? It's just
I don't
something
know.
random. I'm gonna destroy it.
Yeah,
Yo, what are these new
collect
berries?
those are slap berries.
Slap
Collect
berries?
them.
Same as the slap
I
drink?
call them slap berries. Yeah, I just call them slap berries.
Here, have one. Wait, why do I see red arrows?
Oh, that's my ping. That's from my
Over here.
perk.
Oh, it pinged the bird? Well, that sucks.
Yeah, yeah. If we lose this,
Oh, the
it's all
primal
on
stink
my-
bow.
If we lose this, it's my leg.
Oh, there's a thing here.
Oh,
Yo, these rifts bring back memories, man. It's okay. Let them battle. Let's go into the snowy tundra. You have one of these jump hammers on you, right?
you mean Mjolnir?
Yeah.
Because I am Thor.
The wolfies.
Oh, you try and get on it?
Yeah. I don't know why it's so hard to jump on them, man. Okay. You could have it. Dude, check out this cave, bro. It's like diamonds in here.
Hold on, here. I want to test something. Can you hold 2 hammers?
Oh, I could.
Holy shit! You know how many? Dude, that is so OP.
They don't share the cooldown. They have their own cooldown.
Well,
Test
that's
it out.
what it-
Can you do it 8 times?
Yeah, because it's on different cooldowns.
Yo, so if you have both, you can do that thing 8 times. I think they're gonna fix that. I feel like
Yo,
they're
imagine
supposed
you
to
have a
share the
whole-
cooldowns, and this is a mistake right now.
That's all you have? 5 slots of hammers?
The
Do we have a key?
tilted towers, clock tower, man. I only have 1 rocket. You got any ammo? Oh, the twin SMGs.
If you look on the reticle, the crosshair, you see both. And then
Oh, that's pretty cool, man. I'm gonna test this thing
here,
out.
extra rockets, slapberry.
Thanks.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you could take my slapberries. I don't have any heals on me. I'm just like loaded with all the new weapons.
Oh shit! On
Oh,
top.
shit.
On top.
Not that good at shooting, bro. Okay, yo, take this. Gotta get out of here. You able to get out? Just keep jumping on the left side. Man, I want to try out this new SMG, but I just can't stop using this rifle. Okay, yo, let's go there. Hammer there.
All right.
Oh,
Over
I
there.
see them yet. So there's a solo guy somewhere behind us too. Oh no, they're shooting the solo guy. Yo, we gotta go.
You running like a peasant.
My hammer wasn't charged.
2 guys below. 1 guy up here.
Oh, yo, we need to go. Oh no, they are fighting. Oh, they killed him.
Oh, they are?
We gotta go. Okay, we killed one. Yo, it's the hammers. Oh!
Nice.
These hammers, man.
Thor.
Yeah, these hammers are pretty good, but like they're pretty OP.
All right.
So that's a test of the Maono DM30 microphone. I think it sounds really good, especially for its size and weight. It is very easy to just plug and play, looks very nice with the LED lights, whether you have it right up close to your face or from sitting distance. I think it sounds really great, and I definitely think it's a microphone worth getting and worth looking into. If you want to check it out more, check the links in the description, and thanks for watching.